Hi guys, and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today is a speed clean with me, and I just made a to-do list of everything I wanted to get done in the next hour or two. It took me about an hour and a half. So here's my to-do list, and I started in my bedroom. As you guys can see, it's not that messy. Like I said in my last video, I don't have kids, I don't have toys everywhere, but things still need to be picked up. We will also be tackling the kitchen today, as well as doing some sweeping and vacuuming. So I hope you guys get lots of cleaning motivation for what you guys need to get done. And let's stop talking and get started. Just kidding, there's more talking. As you guys know, I like to start off with a load of laundry so that can run and I can get that going while I get the other cleaning done. I did get 2 full loads of laundry done today, and the third one was in the dryer when I was all done cleaning. So I'm happy to basically have tackled my whole laundry pile. I don't show myself switching the laundry, but I did get 2 laundry loads done, and then at the end I just fold it for you guys really quickly, and it felt good to finally tackle that laundry pile. And I'm going to be making my bed here, and I just want to mention it looks kind of sloppy. I literally just cover my pillows with my blanket. I don't have any throw pillows, so don't judge me, but it gets the job done and I don't really mind how it looks.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun, 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. So damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips, the feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move.
Alright guys, I need some help with this stovetop. As you guys can see, those cloudy little marks over the burners, it's driving me insane, but literally whatever I do, I can't get it off. So if you guys have any recommendations, please share with me. Also, I need a new stainless steel cleaner. This one is just greasy and it takes me forever to get like the greasy feel off, so I need to get something else. So recommendations for that as well, because my stovetop needs some TLC.
You were my ride or die. 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 Summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were my ride or die. You were my ride or die.
I decided to try something new with my carpet. I put this Febreze rug and carpet deodorizer all over, and then I waited a few minutes and I vacuumed it up. I also did it on the black rug in my living room. It made it smell really nice, but it left like these little white stains on my black rug, so I don't know if I'll be doing it again.
You go away to a place where you're not near me anymore. Try and save me, try and break my fall. My chance was blown, and you were on your way. Gone with the wind, but in my thoughts you still remain. Try and save me, try and break my fall. Come a little bit closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. At night we touch, your hand goes through my hair. You say the words, but it's nothing but a dream. Drug me into sleep to break my fall. Come a little bit closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. On and on, dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on, stabs going through my heart. Try and save me, try and break my fall. And I could never dream another dream. And I could never fight another fight. 'Cause when I dream of you, another face comes through.
And the last thing I wanted to tackle today was the laundry. As you guys can see, I don't have a lot. This was 2 loads, so that shows you I can literally fit like barely anything in my wash. but I got 2 loads done, and then I have another load in the dryer, so when that comes out I will fold it. And that's going to bring us to the end of the video. I hope you guys got plenty of cleaning motivation to get what you need to get done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it, comment down below of video suggestions, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.